Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna kind of show you what I've been up to. So I found these. These were for a Toyota Yaris. I think it's a 2007 that my grandpa used to have, and these are the hubcaps because they replaced them. And they've been in the woods for at least good 4 years, maybe 3.5. I would say 3 to 4 years. And yesterday I found them and brought them home and everything. There's one of them right there. Those two are not broken or cracked. This one has a chip in it, and the other one is cracked. And these two don't have any like cracks or anything, but they are a little scratched. But I mean, they're old, so I mean, that's what they used to look like. They were dirty, and since yesterday, I've been cleaning them using like wheel cleaners, all-purpose cleaners, and everything, soaps. And I just finally got done using my last all-purpose cleaner on it and wiped it off and letting it kind of air dry now. So I'm gonna use Chemical Guys a glaze on it to fill in any scratches, because I did actually compound and polish this. They're still pretty rough, but I mean, they're still in one shape, in one piece. I mean, but maybe if I can fix them up and make them look good, I can sell them actually, which I'm sure somebody would actually buy them, because I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. But I'm gonna use a glaze, which is that one right there, a paint sealant, and then hydro slick, which is a ceramic coating, and then I might top it off with a little bit of spray wax and then see how they turn out. But yeah, that's what I've been up to.